Hi guys, this is Brittany with the Crafting Spot. Today we're going to discuss how to design the subway tiles in Silhouette Studio. It's a really simple process, so let's dive in. This is a design that we're going to recreate. I'll be using Impact for the name Mommy and Olive Glitter for the names across it. So let's get started. In crafting, I'm a visual person, so I want to see what it's going to look like before I actually make the project. So we'll start by making the white rectangle that's going to represent the tile. I know that the tile is 3 by 12, so I'll make the shape just any random size. Then we'll go over to the transform panel, go to the line, and actually resize the object to make it exactly 3 by 12 so that I know that I'm cutting my design at the proper size. You can also use the same process to resize other design elements in future designs. So we'll close that panel and go ahead and get our text. So go over to the text tool, and Impact is the first one. I don't like to scroll through, so I'll just type it out. Impact is the first one. I'm doing all caps and I'm gonna write Mommy. I forgot to set the color, so it's white, but I'll go up here and I'll change the color to match something close to what the color is that I want to use. The next font that we're going to use is called Olive Glitter, so I'll go over here and type that in as well and pull it up. Next, I'll type the names out. You'll notice that I started out with a swoosh. You can do this with the brackets key and the hearts in between the names. You do that with the vertical line or the pipe key. So type it out. Don't worry if it shifts down to the next line, because you can resize it and I'll adjust that and you'll see that as well. To fix it, you just resize that line and it will make it all be on one line. Now let's start resizing to get it a little truer to what I want it to look like. It's still not quite how I like it, so I'll just drag to resize and make it a little bit larger. Now that I've got it sized the way that I need to line them up. So I'll select both Mommy and the names, and I'll go up to the top and align center. And that's going to make sure that the names are centered across Mommy. Next, it's time to do the offset. So select the names, go over to the offset panel, and then create an offset that you are comfortable with. I only want a little bit of space to be around it, but I also want the names to sort of pop out from the page, so that's what the offset's going to do here. Once you're in the offset panel, you can use the up or down arrows to adjust it to give it more of an offset or less, but find your perfect mark and then select apply. I want to subtract that offset from the word Mommy. So I'm going to select both Mommy and the offset only, not the names, and go up and modify and subtract all. Then you'll see the white space pop up. There's your offset. Next, I'm going to delete only the offset. That's going to leave that white space and allow the names to pop off of the word Mommy. You can also go and just add the year that they were established as a Mommy at the bottom. Make sure you color it in and adjust it to fit the size that you like. And that's it. That's how it's done. Next, you'll just go ahead and send it to your machine. Cut each color in whatever color vinyl that you want to use. I use 651 as my vinyl of choice for these type of projects. But just apply it. And voila, an easy project. You can find the tiles at most hardware stores. As always, thank you for joining us in the crafting spot, and thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to hit the inbox. Be sure to like this video and share it with a friend. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future videos. Join us on Facebook. I'll post a link in the description below. This is your girl Brittany signing off. Stay crafty.